Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to do crab masala. Let's get started. I'm putting in oil and ghee. I am adding in fenugreek and cumin seeds and followed by chopped onions. Sauté them. Add in little salt. Now I'm adding in curry leaves. I'm adding in ground tomato. Now I'm adding in a paste made of onion, garlic and ginger. Mix them all together until the aroma comes out. Add in chili powder, curry powder. I'm adding here chicken curry powder. If you don't have, you can add fish curry powder, coriander powder, turmeric, cinnamon, pepper, now adding in the crabs. Stir them so that they mix well. Now I'm adding in tamarind water and mix them. Add little bit more salt. Let it cook well. Keep stirring. If you find this masala dry, please add some hot water. I am adding in paste made of coconut and coriander leaves. Mix it for 10 to 15 seconds. It's now ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.